I look like a freaking scarecrow, but anywho, it's Mother's Day and let's make my mama something special. I've already added 4 tablespoons of flour. Then we also have 2 tablespoons of sugar. The recipe said cocoa, but I don't have cocoa, so I'm just going to use Milo. So yeah, that's going to be 2 tablespoons of Milo. So it says 4 tablespoons of milk, so I'm just going to take 4 tablespoons of popular milk. So here is it. Up you go. And I should have light. Yes. Okay, so I like the mixture. It tastes nice, so I hope the cake also tastes nice. So yeah, I got this recipe from Pinterest and I've tried it before. This kind of recipe, this is called a microwave mac cake recipe. So I tried it before when I was really small for my sister and she liked it. So yeah, so it's done. Let's see. Wow, I'm going to use this to check. Yeah, foolproof. Yes. So our cake is done. Our microwave cake is done, and I wish I had a top, like something to drizzle on it. Madam, please, I'm talking to my phone. I wish you could have something to drizzle on it to make it scrumptious. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm going to let it cool down a little so that okay, so it's cool now. I tasted something this small. Don't lie for the camera.